Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable TIRM support on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. We have command prompt commands for this. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now to enable it, we have this command here. It has 0 at the end. Okay, and hit enter. It says that this operation takes place immediately. No reboot is required, so it's successful. And if you wish to disable it, then simply use the same command but with 1 at the end. So we are basically modifying the registry. That's it. Okay, it says do not allow TIM operations to be sent through to storage devices. So we are changing the registry. We are just using command prompt commands for it because this method is easier. I have mentioned these commands in the description section of the video. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.